Hi everyone, this video is a great opportunity for people who are looking for work from home remote opportunity in customer support. This is for people located in India, and here you can opt either for early morning shifts or evening shifts. The company's name is Aircall, and the company is hiring for remote work from home opportunity, and here you will be working at weekends. Here you will be getting 2 weekly offs between Monday to Friday. Only a little experience in customer support will work. This is a job opportunity, and the profile's name is Customer Support Specialist, early morning shift and weekends, remote. And here, and the second opportunity is for Customer Support Specialist, afternoon or evening shift and weekends. So here you will be working full-time remote. As a customer support specialist, you will be an advocate for customers and the heart of AirCall by efficiently identifying, promoting product education, recommending, recommending technical solutions, and guiding product users through features and functionalities. This way, you will also help other businesses achieve their goal. In doing so, you are a key player in growing AirCall. And here you will be working closely with the global support team on a daily basis to ensure that technical issues are addressed and resolved promptly to ensure customer satisfaction at all times. This position requires permanent location and legal residency in India. So people from India can apply for the job. And here, this is about the working schedule. And so here you will be working at weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, and your 2 weekly resting days will be planned for weekdays from Monday to Friday. So you can take any day or any 2 days off between Monday to Friday, and your working hours will be scheduled for evening shifts. You will be working from 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. afternoon or evening shifts, whereas for morning shifts you will be working in a period of the day from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. depending on winter or summertime, 8 hours of active workday with 1 hour lunch break during the shift. Now let's check out about the qualifications that the company has asked for. So for the role of customer support specialist, the company has asked for someone with around 1 year of experience in a SaaS or B2B customer support role or transferable experience or skills. And you should be fluent in English language. Other languages such as Spanish or French are a plus. And excellent written and verbal communication skills is required. You should be familiar with ticketing tools and systems. You should have understanding of how CRM systems work, and a strong understanding of basic computer skills is required. Technical aptitude is desirable, such as for example, you should be able to understand and explain technical concepts to customers and other internal stakeholders. You should be curious to understand and troubleshoot complex customer inquiries. You should have a strong sense of time management and prioritization of work. You should be able to multitask across different platforms and forms of communication. You should be willing to work with multiple teams in an international and multilingual remote environment. So here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. Although the company has not mentioned the salaries, you can expect a salary range of uh, up to 16 to 17 lakhs per annum for the role of customer support expert. You can expect growth and opportunities, work-life balance, and fast learning environment, and competitive salary packages and benefits, including health coverage, lunch, commute, sports, etc. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a customer support specialist. So as a customer support specialist at Aircall, you will work closely with their clients to identify, solve, escalate to advise them on their questions and concerns. Their customers are people, not accounts, and day to day your interactions with their customers directly impact their ability to run their teams efficiently, and you serve as their advocate at Aircall. You need to do teamwork. You can expect a great deal of support, transparency, and collaboration on a daily basis. There is an amazing opportunity to learn from some of the best people in the industry. You will be working with a global team of ambitious, passionate, and dedicated professionals, all here to work towards a common goal. So you will be working as a part of a team, and Growth opportunities. So frontline support is a front row seat at all things in EarCall. Members of our team have successfully transitioned to client service or onboarding, CSM, etc., engineering, product, and various other roles within the organization. You will have the great opportunities for growth and learning. EarCall strongly encourages learning opportunities for teammates in an effort to develop individual careers and simultaneously support their clients. As Aircall's business continues to grow, you will find many opportunities to continue learning and developing in your role and beyond. Here you will be working as a customer support specialist remotely from home or anywhere, and you will be supporting the company with the help of team members and can expect growth within the company. So if you're interested, you can apply for the job and you can opt either for morning shifts or evening shifts. Both the opportunities are available. So here you can provide your name, attach your resume. You can attach your resume here or provide your LinkedIn profile and your name, email ID, phone number, current location, current company that you are working with, and then LinkedIn URL or other social media platforms URL. So that's it. So this is a simple application form. This is a very small, simple application form that you can fill up and submit. And if you have interest in customer support kind of opportunities, go ahead and check out the details and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.